Take these. What is up, guys? It is Doug Silver and I am back. Life's been pretty busy. I got a couple things, but channel's back up and running. Hopefully videos every week. Except for Christmas. Christmas coming up, guys. I probably won't be able to make one at all during the month of December. However, back on up is the Doug Silver channel with the dares and the Q&As and all that shit. Yep. Not a family-friendly thing. I'm in a library right now, so I can't talk very loud. Alright, so, a little bit of update. I was in a relationship that I totally should not have been in. That didn't go well, and I wound up getting back with someone that I had dated when I was about 14. And they live with me now, so that's cool. And they are an agender, meaning they go by they, them, so when you guys address my partner, please do not address with female or male pronouns. Please address with they, them, or ze, them. It's not Mrs. or Mr., it's mix for them, which would be spelled MX. And thank you for your cooperation on that for when you do ever address them. Their name is Dakota, and you will see them in the next video. So, without further ado, welcome back to Doug Silver, and I'm sorry for the long wait, guys.